Hi guys, I would like to share you how to make milky pie. The tools are bowl, spoon and fork, and Teflon. The ingredients of steamed pie cake are flour, butter, 1 egg, and milk powder. The ingredients of flan as below: 100 grams of water, condensed milk, cornstarch, and 3 egg yolks. First, put flour, butter, milk powder, and egg into a bowl. Stir until it becomes a dough. Then form the dough according to the Teflon shape. Then step the bottom of the mixer so that it cooks evenly. Add water, cornstarch, egg yolk, and condensed milk. Mix well. Then transfer the flour to the pie mixer. Then bake the pie with low heat. Don't forget to close the Teflon with a convex hood. The pie is ready to